Alright, so what we have here is the temperature variation test. So we have, as you see, 5 boards and solder laid out on them and pretty evenly distributed. So we have one in the middle and then the 4 in the corners about the edge of your 9x9 board. So what we're going to do is turn on a heating profile and see how long it takes from the first piece of solder to melt to the last piece of solder and see what change in temperature we have. So we're gonna run a profile, start it, and this will take a little bit. We're not going to have any melting till about 200 degrees C on these.
Especially if you have like maybe one of the no way other than JTAG, but still. Yeah, 4.
Oh, we're starting to ramp up a little bit.
So you got 0, 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, I'm fighting having my reflection, unfortunately. My reflection tends to... Yeah, try it and see if we can actually see, though. That's a problem. Well, a little... Try turning off that light just to see. A little switch underneath there. Maybe. I mean... Maybe I should have had bigger pieces of solder. It'd be easier to see. That makes it too dark to see. In fact, we're almost better off. My reflection's still there. It's from the lights above. So, you might as well just turn that light on. Well, you can go... Can you turn that guy back on? A little switch. Yeah.
What are we doing?
I'm running another test with the stuff melting.
What's stuff?
The solder pieces melting. Like the matrix array kind of thing.
Oh. With what? All of those?
One on each, so it's less. Well, the problem was when I opened up the oven to do the sensor gun, I think that threw off the ones closest to the door.
Oh.
Because we had one, and it was sitting on the pen. We had one that was multiple seconds later than every single other piece of solder. So I kind of want to do one where we're not playing around with the opening up the oven or anything. And
I'll... Of course we have other...
Like we had other what? Alright, we're going to start ramping up. So, pretty soon. If I can have another set of eyes helping me watch this. Around 200 C is probably we're going to see our first melt. So see it on each one.
What am I supposed to do?
We're looking for those 5 pieces of solder. We're not going to have melt yet, but we're going to have it pretty soon, like another 10 degrees or so.
There, one melted in the center.
Okay, that was 99 degrees.
And there goes the front.
One guy left. And there he goes, 214.